Stop the Bus is a fun word game that would help your students improve their vocabulary, general knowledge, and critical thinking skills. It involves selecting a letter of the alphabet and then trying to come up with unique answers, starting with that letter for a set of pre-selected categories as quickly as possible. This is repeated as many times as possible, each time with a different letter, and the winner is the one with the highest score after all rounds have been completed. Making the worksheet for this game is super easy. Just open a new Google Slides by typing slides.new and then clear everything with Ctrl A plus delete. This is the finished product. First, you insert a table and then go ahead, put as many row and column as you want. Then write down all the category. Don't forget to name the game and you're good to go. If this is too plain for you, you can always fill the background. So for example, you have 8 students and so you want to divide them into 4. So each group will have 2 people. So you can differentiate it by using different color. So later they can write their name over here, and when the game begins, they can write on their own row. To spice things up, you can use different types of background like this one. Okay. So if you want to change the background, you just go to background and then choose the image. You can upload it or you can find it in Google Image Search. Okay, and then type something, for example, wood background. And then you can choose. Okay. I personally like to add slides, pre-made slides, the free one from Slide Carnival. So for example here, I'm copying one of the free slides from here. To be the background. Just Ctrl C, copy it, and here Ctrl V. In here you don't want to link it, and just keep the original style. And then you go ahead, you can erase this and that one and copy from here and just select everything, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'm using Nathaniel Slides Carnival from this one. See, there's a lot of different background that can be used to spice up your worksheet. Now, when I say 1, 2, 3, go, you write down your name under the name column wherever in the board. Okay? When I say 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go! So I will give you a letter, and then with the letter you have to write words that begin with that letters in the category of animals, countries, adjectives, verbs, and famous people. If you finish first, don't forget to say stop the bus. And then I will give you point next to the score, under the scores I mean. Okay? Let's go ya. The letter is
Stop the bus.
yay! 1 point for Adin. Yay! For an extra point, Alisa, can you make a sentence using all of the words that you mentioned? With a snake, Spain, shiny, slider, Stephen King. Make a sentence or make a paragraph. 5, 4, 3.
A shiny snake slithered in Spain to Stephen King.
Alright, 1 point for you too. Adin, for an extra point, can you make a sentence with your words?
While sailing in Switzerland, Steven Spielberg saw a smart snail.
That's really smart. And Acha? 5, 4, 3.
A silly
2,
snake
1.
sleeps in Steve Jobs' house.
Alright, very good. Now, this is the last one, yes? This is even harder. Instead of just 1 per category, I want you to write 2.
Peggy had a pale polar bear from Poland, and he gave it to Pythagoras, but Pythagoras already has a panda from Palestine, which is pure. So Peggy passed it to someone else, and then she pricked her finger.
Okay, nice effort. How about Adin? Can you make a more interesting story than that?
Pythagoras put on his hat, then pushed a pale panda from Poland to Panama.
Nice job, brilliant. Alright, Alisa and Adin, draw. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. Thank you so much for playing today. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Goodbye,
Miss.
thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, keep in mind that students playing from their smartphones might accidentally move or erase the table while trying to type. So make sure that you always have a copy of the worksheet just in case. Okay.